जागतीक सगळ्यांत व्हड पियर टू पियर वेवसायिकांचें जाळें आशिल्ली आंत्रप्रिन्युअर्स ऑर्गनायझेशन गोल 2020च्या उद्दिश्टां सयत इओ गोवा चॅप्टराची 4 मेयाक गोंयांत स्थापना जातली. आर्डेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
The main purpose of EO is to engage like-minded entrepreneurs and learn and grow together. It forms a module called peer-to-peer where one person can get resources from another without, the assistance of a central administrative decision. EU is present in 54 countries, about 174 chapters. I think Goa is the 174th. More than 12,000 members, with an average age of about 43 years of each member. And this launch will be held on the 4th of May in Goa. We have some very distinguished speakers coming from India. Should I give the name? Yeah, for example, our former IT and shipping minister, Milind Deora. We also have Mr. Rahul Sharma, who runs Micromax, one of our leading companies. Television personality Pooja Bedi. And the event will be moderated by Fatima Madi, who is editor at Bloomberg TV. And we'll have a lot of very entrepreneurial goings joining this event, which will be followed by some entertainment over there.
All business people who are involved with EO, we have a very small and I would say a curated group. It's not a mass market kind of a organization. Like Oscar said, it's very peer to peer. So it's very important that everybody who's a member of this organization really understands each other, and there is something to give and take between the members in terms of knowledge basically, and in terms of support. It's not an organization where you just go and take business cards and solicit business. There are several other organizations which do that, but our organization basically focuses on relationships, because we believe that with a strong relationship, business will naturally flow and it will naturally come.